Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all doing good. Today we will see the tourist attraction of Sharjah, UAE. In this video, I will tell you about KALBA, Al Noor Beach, backwaters, Korfakan waterfalls, and amphitheater. KALBA Sharjah have a stunning scenery of nature with several diverse habitats for its size. We can enjoy by seeing mountains, plains, acacia forest, mangroves, beaches. Tourist attraction of KALBA are Al Hafia Picnic Park. It's all for jogging, cycling, and so on. Al Hafia Mountain Conservation Center. We can see many mountain animals and reptiles. Al Hafia Mountain Conservation Center and Nature Wildlife Areas. Next, we can see KALBA Fort, KALBA Mosque, Fossil Rock Hike, KALBA Adventurers, East Coast Fishing Charter. All this about KALBA.
And my friend said, "Nay, this is a mountain. Next, our car is going more speed. So what? This car is going very slow. So this is a brand new car. Next is in this city. These are a lot. We have so many mountains. What do you want? You want all the mountains, or do you want to choose which one you want? I want bigger.
ഇതേത് സ്ഥലം?
Jungle.
This is KALBA.
Yeah, KALBA jungle.
ജംഗിൾ പോകുന്ന വഴി.
Yeah.
പക്ഷെ ജംഗിൾ വന്നിട്ട് ക്ലോസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ. പിന്നെ വേറെ എവിടേക്ക് പോയേ?
See the cars, these are traffic. All the cars are stuck.
Stuck?
Yeah, all the cars are sure they're taking something, some rocks. This is KALBA is the new. So this is KALBA. This is the tunnel.
What is this?
It's the tunnel.
Yeah, tunnel. Yeah.
Yes.
Big tunnel. Hi. KALBA Beach is 7-kilometer stretch of shimmering sand and pristine waters. Located just off the core KALBA Conservation Reserve, a mangrove forest teeming with Sharjah wildlife. The beach is visited by rare animals. This is the nesting site for hawksbill turtles. Moreover, this is the only breeding place in UAE for Arabian kingfisher. Scuba diving is famous in summer for kids and adults.
This is a beach. Yeah, Rishon is taking some seashells.
Oh.
So we're getting it.
Who is with you?
It's Acha. He's taking some seashells. I got seashells in my hand.
Okay.
Next is the
You
next.
touch the water?
I'm not touched. I'm taking seashells.
How many you got?
I got 3.
Only 3?
And 1, 2, 3. I
Big
got
or small?
medium and small and the big
Okay.
seashells.
Mm.
I got it. So this is what we got here. Sure,
What is this?
these are our
Dates.
dates.
We tasted there.
Yes, I like dates. It's very tasty.
Okay.
How about this is our grapes. This is Rishon. I'm running it in the grass. Okay. Next, this is all the river.
This is backwater.
Yeah, backwater.
Before we have seen that is a seashore. This is backwater.
Yeah, there's a beach.
Yeah, this is the beach.
Yeah, the beach is over there.
Yeah.
Oh my!
What are you doing?
Why did this is? It's so much funny.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, Rishon he's taking photos. How like me? Ah! 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 Ah!
Who's this?
This is such a happy baby.
Baby name is?
And Rishon and Amma and Atta and baby.
What is the name of baby?
His name is Diana. See Atta?
Not he. She is Diana.
Yeah, Diana. See the old ships. I don't like it.
Yes.
There's one more ship. It's broken over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure someone broke this ship over there.
Not this one. I'll show you after some time.
Yes.
Yes. This is the good one. It's moving or not.
Yeah.
I don't know where it is. Let me check. Let's know about amphitheater. It is featured in the 10 dirham note, a UAE currency note. It covers an area of 1,700 square meters, accommodating 3,500 spectators. Lobby covers 75,000 square feet and has 6 elevators. It has state-of-art cooling system. This is the ideal place for events. Theater.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are the reasons here? KALBA waterfall.
What KALBA? This is 1 minute. Let me check. This place is Korfakan.
Yeah.
Korfakan.
Yeah. This is the waterfall.
Yeah, that is amphitheater. Nearby the amphitheater, this is this
The waterfall.
waterfall. This is man-made, artificial, not natural.
Yeah, this is not a natural. Next is this all the crucial driving. This is actually the new jungle. The jungle it's almost closed.
Yeah.
So this is actually the water fountain.
Yeah. Wow.
It's so much funny. And this is actually we're taking a photo. Like we're
Hope you all like this video. If you want to watch more videos, kindly subscribe our channel.